Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video, I will show you how to replace audio of Instagram Reels. For example, this is a reel. Here you can see I have posted, but right now you can see audio unavailable. So how to replace it? So you have to click on audio unavailable. Here you can see, and after clicking on this one, you will get the option as replace audio. So just click on this one. So before that, you can see you can replace the audio track once, which will also remove any original audio in your reel. You won't be able to undo this action. So click on replace audio, and after that you have to click on replace audio, and here you will get a list of all music, or you can search with a name you want to add it. Okay, so for example, here I will select. So I have selected this music, and you can see it is changed. So now this reel is ready. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.